Hello and welcome to the Git Basic Tutorial Part 1. I am your instructor Shiva and I am thrilled to be here to guide you through the world of Git. I am a senior software engineer with extensive experience in the software industry. I have the privilege of working with some of the renowned tech giants, including Yahoo and Verizon. My journey as a software engineer has taken me through a multitude of projects and challenges, allowing me to gain deep understanding of software development process. During my tenure at Yahoo and Verizon, I had the opportunity to work on diverse range of projects from web application to large scale systems. These experiences have given me valuable insights into the importance of version control and collaboration in software development. And that is why I am excited to share my knowledge and expertise with you today. In this Git tutorial, we will cover the fundamentals of Git, starting from the very basic and moving on to more advanced topics. Git is an essential tool in modern software development, and understanding how to use it effectively can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. I understand that learning Git might be a bit overwhelming at the first, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down into manageable pieces, provide practical examples, and answer any question that you have along the way. By the end of the tutorial, you have a solid foundation in Git that you can apply to your project, just I have in my years of experience. So let's get started with part 1, where we'll explore the concept of Git and basic commands you need to know. By the end of the session, you will be well on your way to master Git and take your software development skills to the next level.